Hey guys, Jiven here. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing to you guys 5 common hair problems that guys have and how to fix them. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notification to never miss a brand new video again. So the first most common mistake that guys make is to put too much hair product. Guys often think that the more they put, then the better they look, but that's not often the case. The key is to use the maximum of one size of a bead. Like you're going to use like the hair product, do like that, and just not too much product. Rub it in, step from the back and make your way forward. That will ensure that your hair doesn't have too much hair products and have a more natural look. Now the second mistake that guys make is to not explore other hair options. So a lot of people just get stuck with one hairstyle all their lives. For me, while growing up, I had relatively short hair, so my sides are always short. My top is usually short as well. So now that I'm older, I just prefer to let it grow for the top hair. Yeah, I would suggest just venturing out and changing your hairstyle once every few months or every few years. You know, just to test what looks good, because you never know what hairstyle looks good on you, you know? If you're unsure what hairstyle you can try, there are many options online that you can check out, like top hairstyles for men 2019, you know, and so on. So the third hairstyle mistake is to not go against the grain of your hair. So let's say your hair grows this way, and you want to do a hairstyle like that on the other way. That won't really work because your hair is already growing this direction. So let's say the most common way is like people want their hair to grow backwards. So no matter how much you style it, it still won't really stay back because your hair is already growing like this. So what you want to do is just go with the flow of your hair, and let's say your hair follicles is growing on the right side. Like for me, I don't really want to change my hair and push it the other side on the left side, because as you can see like that, the hair doesn't really mesh well together. So yeah, just go with the flow of your hair. An easy solution to this is just comb your hair in the direction you want every single day, and over time your hair will slowly grow that way or this way or towards the back. Now the fourth hair mistake the guys make is to not use heat protectant to their hair. A lot of people think that the higher the heat on the blow dryer, the better like the hairstyle will stay. To do that, you would just want to put heat protectant. If you don't want to do that, you can just use the blow dryer in a cooler setting so it doesn't really damage your hair follicles. Blow drying your hair is actually frying your hair, and you don't really want that. So the fifth hairstyle mistake is to not use the shampoo every single day. You can rinse your hair every day if you want to, but just not use shampoo, because shampoo actually strips your hair of everything, not including hair products. They strip hair products, your natural oil, and just everything in your hair. It just dries it out. So what you want to do is also use conditioner instead. You can use shampoo one day, conditioner the other day, and so on. For me, I like using this coconut conditioner right here, simply because it hydrates your hair and I just like the smell of coconut. So these are my 5 common hairstyle mistakes that guys make. If you like this video, let me know down in the comments below, and check back next time.